lórí rédíò ẹlẹ́rọ àmìtìtì Rainbow FM. Èyí ni èrò àwọn aráàlú bó ti wà lónìí ọjọ́rú Wẹ́sídẹ̀ẹ́ níbi tí àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà ti ń pariwo gidigidi.
Alore TV.
Pẹ̀lú ìbànújẹ́ ohun ìtara ni wọ́n fi ń sọ̀rọ̀ o, pàápàá lórí bí epo tún ṣe di ọ̀wọ́n gógó lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí i. Lóòótọ́ ni àwọn èèyàn rí ra, ṣùgbọ́n lówó gọbọi ni o. Epo pẹtiróòlù nílùú Èkó ti di ẹgbẹ̀ta náírà ó lé náírà mẹ́tàdínlógún, ìyẹn 617 naira, níbi tí àwọn míì pàpà tún ti ń rà á jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Ìyẹn nìkan kọ́ o, owó ìrànlọ́wọ́ tí ìjọba Tinubu ló fẹ́ máa pín, èyí tí ó ti ní kí wọ́n ṣe àfàró ẹ̀ báyìí, níṣe ni àwọn tó pè sórí rédíò Rainbow FM àti àwọn àgbà ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n tí wọ́n mọ̀ nípa ohun tí ó ń lọ tí wọ́n gbà lálejò lórí afẹ́fẹ́ pàpà ti bu ẹnu àtẹ́ lu àwọn ètò tíjọba yìí ń ṣe. Èdè òyìnbó ni wọ́n fi sọ ọ́, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọn kò rojú sí balabala tí nǹkan rí lásìkò yìí, tí omi pàpà sọ pé níṣe ni ìjọba Bọ́lá Tinubu ti já àwọn èèyàn kulẹ̀ látàrí ìrètí ńlá tí wọ́n ní nínú ẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí olóṣèlú ńlá àti àgbà alágbà ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n onímọ̀ ìṣirò tó lè kó ọmọ Nàìjíríà yọ nínú àjàgà kò sówó, kò sóúnjẹ, kò sépo, ayé tó le gògò ní gbogbo ilẹ̀kílẹ̀. Báwo gan ni wọ́n ṣe wí o, kí sì ni ohun tí wọ́n sọ gan lédè òyìnbó?
For transferring money. Because as we speak, our inflation rate is around 22.79%, and food inflation alone is around 24.61%. So the best thing is to do is to use this money. Yeah, most thing is that number one thing is that cushion the impact. A lot of people will transport themselves. The market woman need transportation. People going to office need transportation. Put a lot of buses on the ground, a lot of maybe small buses and short buses that will cushion the effect. If normal downfall prices is 1,000, those people can be collecting 200 naira. In other words, government have subsidized it by 800 naira. So the palliative is seen everywhere, right? And also they should ensure that the refinery starts working. Let people be on their toe. We can't say that we are working on something that will never see the light of the day. Right. In the school of management, once you are investing on something, you must be able to measure the progress of the project. What is the progress? Give us the time it's going to come live, and also ensure that the refinery start. The reason why we have this is because we need to convert our money to forest, to dollar, to import it. So, but if in the early 80s, where we are refining the product in Nigeria, we don't have this issue. Let's start refining it here. But there will not be issue of importation or converting our currency to forest and giving the people's faith into the market forces.
Ọ̀rọ̀ wọn náà ni wọ́n ti sọ pé àwọn aṣòfin tí ìjọba yìí ṣètò owó rọ̀gùnrọ̀gùn fún kì í ṣe ohun tí ó bójúmu lásìkò yìí, àbí nígbà tí ìjọba Tinubu sáré kiri lórí bí yóò ṣe tọ́jú àwọn sẹ́nẹ́tọ̀ mọ́kàndínláàádọ́fà, ìyẹn 109 senators, àti àwọn aṣojú ṣòfin tí wọ́n jẹ́ ọ̀tàlélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ní àbọ́yó láwọn èèyàn tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti ní ànító wọn àníṣẹ́kù tẹ́lẹ̀ nínú àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà bíi okòólélúgba mílíọ̀nù. Abòfinjídé Ológun nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tiẹ̀ sọ pé àsìkò nìyí ò fún ìjọba Tinubu láti ta kìjì kó ṣe ohun tó yẹ kó ṣe o, nítorí àwọn alátakò kò ní jìnnà sí ìjọba yìí. Gbogbo ohun tí wọ́n lè fi fẹ́nu bí wo ni wọ́n yóò ṣe o, àmọ́ kí oníyẹ̀ fún Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Tinubu náà ó kíyèsí àtẹ́gùn wọ́n bá gbé ohun tí ó ń gbé kiri lọ.
I advise the president. We have 109 senators, 360 House of Reps member. Pull that out of about 220 million citizens we have in the country. Then you will realize your attention should be focused more on the citizenry. So when you are talking about billions being saved, and at the same time you are discussing 70 billion palliative for National Assembly members, those who are already comfortable, and for over 400 billion for exotic vehicles, this is what you call mismatch in prioritization. These things do. First, stabilize the nation. You know, my president is a seasoned accountant. He knows the implications of. He should not be carried away. The opposition are on their toes. To disorientate the system and everything. You are the one to sit up. And I want to address those who are managing the communication and information of the president. Please, they need to be on their toes. You see, this is a very critical moment in this government. This takeoff is just like when an aircraft is taking off and serious security protocols are rolled out, so that you can enjoy that flight and keep safe.
All right.
I'm still saying it. Has NNPC ever been accountable to Nigeria? The answer is no. Who are these people there? Who are these people that we've read about? A group of Nigerians with their international cohorts going away with 7 trillion naira subsidy. Different kinds of scam, inflating the liters consumed in Nigeria, inflating the subsidy, collecting the subsidy. Who are these smugglers? Who are these oil thieves?
All right, thank you.
If not, they will discredit this government. And what can we do then? Nigerians are not created to suffer, please.
All right, thank you.
Let the Federal Executive Council, even though the ministers are done, because let this government wake up. People are going through tough times. You can measure the inflation in the next 1 week about this decision. So this is not a time for the president to sit down behind his exotic table in the office. This is a time to rise up and engage the system.
Thank you, Jide Ologun. Thank you very much.
It is well with Nigeria. Nigeria should not fear. So if there be a baby should not cry. There are some people that support this government, and you have your own opinion. You can support anybody. Nigeria, is it good? A government that does not have plan. That you have your own thinking government do not have plan for his own country. Everything will turn upside down. Upside down, upside down. They told us that they are not going to increase the fuel again. Why do they increase it again? And some people are saying that it's a technocrat. Is this? Is that? Is that what in Nigeria now? All those people are getting my money. Instead of you to run after them, is giving them post. The military post is going to give us 60 days as it's given to us. And then in 60 days, they will be the military post.
If you remember the other day, I said in this platform that it is too early to praise the president. It is too early. Now, see where we are now. People are now asking Buhari to come back to do this. When Buhari was to go, she said that Nigeria will praise Buhari and will feel Buhari. Is it not true now? See what is happening now. People are suffering. People are suffering. You are praising Buhari, you are praising Tinubu. I mean, it's too early to praise them. How can you be praising somebody at it? Just starting this, see what where we are.
Yeah, he who fails to plan will plan to fail. And our problem is a lot of our politicians don't even have good plans. They don't have a master plan for what they are going to do. They are all just there based on it is my party that must be there, it is my people that must be there. They are not there because they have the good intention to go and do what is necessary. Our solution is not far-fetched. It is just for us to coordinate ourselves, know what we need to do, and do it right. Our politicians are our problem, and they know what they are doing. They just want to make sure that the poor people are more into poverty so that they can rule over them.
Good morning. My name is Alhaji Bashir. I'm calling from Ikorodu. First, I want to concur with what Professor Jide Ologun has said, that we are not to suffer in the country. Then secondly, my happiest moment is this morning when I realized that Mr. President and Commander-in-Chief of the arm of the country has withdrawn that issue of palliative of 8,000, because personally to me is another exploitative matter, whereby those in authority would like to put their children, their cronies there, at the detriment of the poor Nigerians.
My name is Dára calling from Ikeja.
Welcome.
Yeah, I think our president is being affected by overconfidence. He always thinks he knows everything. In fact, I'm a strong supporter of APC and his presidency. But the last decision of distributing 8,000 naira to the poorest of the poor in Nigeria actually shows that he is not in charge of the ideas we always thought he has. And as a matter of fact, I don't want to use the word disappointed for now because I just feel it's too early. But you should know that Nigerians are wiser than when he was the governor of Lagos State, and he needs to prove to us that he's capable to rule us. If not, there will be trouble in this country. Thank you.
Ó ti ṣe wà nìyẹn o, bẹ́ẹ̀ làwọn èèyàn léde yìí ń banújẹ́ gidigidi nítorí ìjákulẹ̀ gbáà ni wọ́n pé ohun tí ojú wọn ń rí lọ́wọ́ ìjọba APC èyí tí aṣọ́gbẹ́lá Ahmed Tinubu darí ẹ̀ lásìkò yìí látàrí bí epo pẹtiróòlù ṣe fojoojúmọ́ léwó sí i táwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà sì ti ń fi ìjọba Buhari ṣàkàwé èyí tí Bọ́lá Tinubu Àkànbí ọmọ olódòdó ń darí ẹ̀ lásìkò yìí.
Alore TV nílé nílé òkúni ẹ máa wò ó ètò tó kọ́ni lọ́gbọ́n ètò tó kọ́ni lóye ní gbogbo àgbáyé ẹ máa wò ó Alore ẹ máa wò ó ẹ máa wò ó Alore ẹ máa wò ó lórí lọ́gbọ́n ó kọ́ni lóye ẹ máa wò ó ọmọdé àgbàlagbà